privileged and excited to be here at the 1KSA Academy. I feel like I am learning so much, not only from our lovely facilitators, but as well as from my peers, and just getting to engage with other scientists. It feels so refreshing and fantastic.
So this morning we are hosting our first 1KSA Academy at 108 Albert Road in Woodstock. This is the first time we are combining training, library prep and sequencing training with the 1KSA data analysis protocol. We are hosting participants from the Agricultural Research Council, from Stellenbosch University and also from Northwest University, in addition to a number of DIPLOMICS interns.
It has allowed me to broaden my skill set, and I look forward to applying all these skills that I've learned in my own research.
And so DIPLOMICS has two basic objectives. The first of these is to build a world-class omics infrastructure for South Africa. And the second objective is to enable access of students and researchers to that omics infrastructure. It is now 2 years since we launched the 1KSA project, and this training event marks a big milestone for us. We have now received nominations for sequencing from more than 120 scientists. We've sequenced more than 750 genomes, and some of the first papers are starting to come out, including the SpecBoom genome paper, which was published in 2025, and then in the last 2 weeks in 2026, papers on the red Roman fish and also on the Buddha's whale have been published. And so we look forward to seeing many more of the species behind me here being published and also being expanded into more species cards.